could with the sun in my eyes, and didn't want to go on. Forgot who I was, how, when, where and why, and it was taking so long. And I remember it's never about me, and in the forgetting sometimes I am free. I keep falling down just to get back up again, stronger than I was before. I keep messing it up. The song has been half-baked since about October of 2019. And it's the song that either goes everywhere or nowhere. And I'm not sure if I should even try to continue to develop it. It just continues to be a mystery song. Or I'm not sure what I'm even trying to say. Except for the mystery feeling of waking up every day. A life that's gone on for so long through so many stages. There's so many different characters and chapters. Maybe I shouldn't even try to express it, except as being the mystery of life. And now I'm starting to ramble, so I'll go to a different song. Island out from Reno, I was trailed by 20 hounds. Didn't get to sleep that night till the morning came around. Said I'll run but take my time. A friend of the devil is a friend of mine. If I get home before daylight, just might get some sleep tonight. I ran into the devil and he gave me 20 bills. Spent it down in Utah in a cave up in the hill. Said I'll run but take my time. Friend of the devil is a friend of mine. If I get home before daylight, I get some sleep tonight. Got two reasons. Evidently this song's right in between registers of my vocal range as well. So I guess I'm trying to flub this up. I'm going to stop the video now.